In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a filterable WooCommerce shop page using Elementor, JetWooBuilder, and JetSmartFilters. We'll begin by making sure the required tools are installed and activated: Elementor, JetWooBuilder, and JetSmartFilters. These plugins work together to help you design your shop archive visually and add advanced filtering without needing custom code. Before moving on, it's a good idea to confirm that WooCommerce is already active as well, since the shop archive and product data depend on it. Once everything is ready, create a new WooCommerce shop archive template with JetWooBuilder. This template will control the layout of your shop page, so think of it as the foundation for everything visitors will see when browsing products. After opening the template in Elementor, add the product grid widget to display your WooCommerce items. This is the main content area, and it's what your filters will update dynamically. Next, create your first JetSmart filter, for example, a category filter. This is often the best place to start because it gives shoppers an easy way to narrow products by type. After that, create any additional filters you need, such as price, rating, product attributes, or a search filter. The exact combination depends on your store, but the goal is to make browsing simpler and faster for customers. When your filters are created, return to the shop template. Add each filter widget around the product grid in a way that feels clear and organized. You might place them in a sidebar, above the grid, or in another layout that suits your design. As you add them, make sure every filter is connected to the same WooCommerce product provider. This part is essential because all filters and the grid need to reference the same data source in order to work together correctly. After that, configure Ajax filtering so product results update instantly without reloading the page. This creates a smoother shopping experience and makes the site feel faster and more modern. It also helps customers compare filtering options more easily since the page remains stable while the product grid changes. Finally, publish the shop template so it becomes active on your store. Once it's live, test several filters one at a time and then in combination. Check that categories, price ranges, ratings, attributes, and search terms all update the same product grid properly. If something doesn't respond as expected, review the provider settings first, since that's one of the most common setup issues. With that done, your WooCommerce shop should now have a polished, user-friendly filtering system that helps customers find products more efficiently.